Sometimes we might wonder why use scaffolding instead of a ladder. Scaffolding offers a much safer platform to be working on. You think about a ladder, it's very limited. Once you get on the ladder, you're stuck in that location. With scaffolding, you're free to move about once the platform is built. Now the scaffolding you see in these images have wheels, so we can easily move them from one location to another. Really makes the job more simpler and safer. So on the inside, we've got the carpet protected. We have this temporary plank so that we can get up there. We'll be cutting our new window in here shortly. That other window's going away as well. So operation move the window over 4 feet has been completed. It's a good idea we went ahead and moved that window because this window is going away. We don't want this hallway super dark up here. Now the engineer requested this EPC 6Z bracket. That's going to go right here. That'll hold our peak post. And this was supposed to be supported all the way down to the plate, which goes all the way down to the first story plate. Also, we're going to be doing a little electrical right here. So we're going to be taking this fella out since we don't need it anymore. We're going to bring this down the wall, our new electrical, and out into a chandelier that'll drop about right here. Got our top beam in. Hey, that's going to do it for part 3 of our porch build series. Thank you for coming along. We'll see you on the next video.